Aren't you fed up with the default thumbnails that YouTube compels you to use for your YouTube shorts? Let's face it, they're not exactly eye-catching, are they? The current functionality of YouTube Shorts restricts you to selecting a frame from your video as the thumbnail. This poses a problem because it often fails to capture the essence of the video, making it less appealing to viewers. When you upload a short from your phone, YouTube insists that you choose a frame from the video as a thumbnail. Now, for long-form videos that might work, but for shorts, it's a thumbnail disaster. These thumbnails often miss the mark in representing the video's essence, making it less appealing to potential viewers. It's high time we put an end to those lackluster thumbnails that diminish the allure of your shorts on the home feed. Here's the hack, and believe me, it's a game changer. This method involves adding a brief frame of your custom thumbnail to the beginning or end of your video, and then trimming it off using YouTube's desktop video editor. This ingenious workaround enables you to incorporate custom thumbnails into your YouTube shorts, even though YouTube doesn't officially support it at the moment. Yes, you heard correctly. You can now add custom thumbnails to your YouTube Shorts videos. So, how do you do it? Well, it's surprisingly simple. First, create your custom thumbnail using any image editing tool like Canva.com. Canva offers great and easy-to-use templates that can inspire you to design an amazing thumbnail. Just make sure it's 1080 by 1920 pixels, the perfect dimensions for a YouTube short. Here is where you can design thumbnails for your motivational videos, storytelling videos, facts videos, and many other thriving channel niches on YouTube. Check out the links below this video for some short channel niches that are exploding right now. Moving on. Once you've got your thumbnail, click on the share button and then download to save it on your device. Now you can use any video editing app like CapCut, import the video you made the thumbnail for, then import the thumbnail itself and add it at the beginning or end of the video, making it just a second or so long on the timeline. Now, I know you might be worried that the added image will affect your video. Don't worry, because I will show you how to get rid of the added image or thumbnail in a moment. Next is exporting or rendering your short video with the new thumbnail and uploading it as is from your phone. Add your title and any other details you want, then upload it as unlisted. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you stay updated with tips like this that will help improve and grow your YouTube channel. Alright, buckle up, here comes the real magic. With YouTube's video editor, you can cut out the beginning, middle, or end of your video on a computer. You don't have to re-upload a video to trim it. The video's URL, view count, and comments will stay the same. This feature is available for videos shorter than 6 hours. To get to the video editor, simply head over to your computer, sign in to your YouTube channel studio page. From the left menu, select Content. Look for your uploaded video and click the title or thumbnail of the video to go to the video details page. From the left menu, select Editor. Now you can use the YouTube video editor to trim off the part of the video where you added the thumbnail. To do that, click on the Trim and Cut option here. A blue box will appear in the editor, highlighting the entire video on an expanded timeline. Drag the sides of the blue box. Stop when the box is covering the portion of the video that you'd like to keep. Anything not in the box will be removed from the video. So if you added the thumbnail image at the beginning, you want to drag the left slide to wherever the image ends, and likewise if you added the image at the end of the video. Click Save, and the thumbnail is gone from your video, but will still appear on your short as your video thumbnail. Pretty cool, right? Let me know what you think in the comments below. This simple hack will make your thumbnails more appealing, increasing the chances of viewers choosing your short over others on the home feed. And here's the secret sauce: this might not last forever, so take advantage of it while you can. Now that we are here, let me just show you how you can also use this tool to take out a section of your video if you ever need it. To do that, again, select Trim and Cut, then click New Cut. A red box will appear in the editor. Drag the sides of the red box. Stop when the red box is covering the portion of the video that you'd like to remove. Anything not in the red box will remain in the video. To confirm your edits, select Cut and click Save. If you want to trim or cut your video at a specific time, you can enter the time into the box. To review your edits, select Preview. To undo a cut for that section, click Undo. You can click Discard Changes at any time to cancel your changes. And that's it. Try out this game-changing hack and watch your YouTube shorts stand out in the crowd. If you found this tip helpful, you're going to love my next video where I spill more secret strategies to make your shorts go viral. Hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think about this new hack in the comments area below.